Welcome back to Mastering Organization for a Productive Workspace. In today's video, I'm diving into an essential yet often overlooked area of organization: data management and secure storage practices. Whether you're handling sensitive work documents, personal files, or collaborative projects, knowing how to manage and protect your data is crucial for both productivity and security. So let's explore some effective strategies for organizing, backing up, and securing your data. In today's digital world, data is one of our most valuable resources. But with that comes the responsibility to keep it organized, easily accessible, and secure from potential risks. Proper data management not only helps you find what you need quickly, but also safeguards your information from loss, theft, or misuse. Let's start with the basics: organizing your file system. A structured file system makes it easy to locate files and keeps your workspace clutter-free. Here are some tips. Create main folders by category. Start with broad categories like work, personal, and projects. Inside each, create more specific folders based on topics or clients. Use subfolders to add structure. For each project or client, create subfolders for different types of files, such as documents, images, and reports. Name files consistently. Use a naming convention that's clear and easy to search. For instance, you could name files by date, project, and version, like 2024-11-09 _project report _v1.docx. A clear folder structure helps reduce the time spent searching for files and ensures you can quickly locate important information. One of the most important aspects of data management is backing up your data regularly. Without a backup, you risk losing valuable information due to hardware failure, accidental deletion, or other unexpected issues. Here are some options. External hard drives. Create physical backups by storing files on an external hard drive. Aim to backup at least once a week, depending on the frequency of changes. Cloud storage services. Use a cloud-based service like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive for automatic backups that are accessible from any device. Automated backup software. Consider using backup software that regularly saves your files to multiple locations. Many systems offer automated backup options for a hassle-free solution. For the best security, combine physical and cloud backups. This way, if one fails, you still have a second copy of your data. Securing your data is essential, especially if you work with sensitive information. Start by setting up strong passwords and encryption. Use strong passwords. Choose complex passwords that include upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using the same password across different accounts. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. For added security, enable 2FA on accounts with sensitive information. This adds an extra layer of protection. Encrypt sensitive files. For highly confidential files, use encryption software to make the files unreadable to anyone without the decryption key. These steps help protect your data from unauthorized access and ensure that even if your device is compromised, your information remains safe. Wise. If you're sharing files with colleagues or clients, it's essential to manage access control carefully. Here's how. Set permissions based on roles. Give people access only to the files they need. For example, give read-only access for viewers and editing access for collaborators. Use expiration dates on shared links. If you're sharing temporary files, Use services that allow you to set an expiration date on shared links. Monitor access logs. Some cloud services allow you to monitor who has viewed or edited files. This adds an extra layer of oversight, helping you detect unauthorized access. By controlling access, you minimize the risk of data breaches or unauthorized changes. A well-organized system includes knowing what data to keep and what to archive or delete. Create a data retention policy that outlines active files, files you need for current projects or regularly reference, archived files, older files that are no longer active but may be needed for record keeping. Store these in a separate archive folder. Files to delete, unnecessary files or duplicates that are safe to delete after a certain period. Setting regular intervals to review and archive data prevents your storage from becoming cluttered and makes it easier to access recent files. Digital clutter can build up just like physical clutter. Set up a regular routine to review and clean up your files. Monthly cleanup. Spend a few minutes each month deleting old files, emptying your trash, and organizing misplaced documents. Quarterly review. Every few months, go through your folders and archive any files you no longer need daily. Update your backup with the latest file organization. Annual purge. At least once a year, do a thorough review of your digital storage to remove outdated information and ensure your files are well organized. A consistent cleanup routine helps keep your digital workspace lean and organized. If you work with large amounts of data, consider using specialized data management tools to keep everything organized and secure. Database management. Software. For large data sets, consider tools like Microsoft Access or MySQL, which offer powerful options for storing, organizing, and retrieving information. Version control systems. For projects that involve frequent updates, use a version control system like Git to keep track of changes without losing older versions. Data analytics and reporting tools. For teams that handle data analysis, using a tool that manages and analyzes data in one place, like Tableau or Google Data Studio, can streamline workflows. These tools provide better control over complex data, making it easy to manage and analyze without clutter. Here's a quick recap of today's strategies for data management and secure storage. 1. Organize your file system. Use a structured folder and naming system. 2. Back up regularly. Use a combination of physical and cloud storage. 3. Secure passwords and encryption. Protect sensitive data with strong passwords and encryption. 4. Access control for shared files. Manage permissions for better security. 5. Data retention policy. Regularly archive or delete unnecessary files. 6. Digital cleanup routine. Keep your files organized with monthly and quarterly reviews. 7. Data management tools. For large or complex data, use specialized tools to keep everything organized. Now for a quick challenge. Implement 2 of these strategies this week. Notice how they impact your organization, security, and ability to find information when you need it. Data management takes consistent effort, but these small steps can make a big difference. Thanks for watching. Good data management and secure storage practices are essential for protecting your digital assets and staying organized. In my next and final video in this series, I'll cover reviewing and adjusting your organization system, so be sure to subscribe for more tips on mastering organization. Stay organized, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video.